sunrise over the fields signals a fresh start. Inside, the finest eggs are collected, providing.
From these ripe sunflower fields, we source the oil that forms the pure fat base of our mayonnaise.
Acidity adjustment. Remaining vinegar/lemon juice adds final tang. pH sensors confirm the correct acidic level for safe, flavorful mayonnaise.
Final mixing cycle. The emulsion polishes for 60 seconds. The product reaches its ultimate viscosity and homogeneity as complete mayonnaise.
Temperature adjustment. The batch passes through a heat exchanger, cooling to exactly 10 degrees Celsius. This stabilizes the emulsion for packaging mayonnaise.
Verify the mayonnaise count on line 3.
Looks good. Manifest matches the product. Let's get it loaded.
Final rinse. Purified water flushes all lines. Conductivity meters confirm complete chemical removal for mayonnaise equipment.
Line 1 is running smoothly, but keep an eye on the filler nozzle pressure here.
Understood. We'll monitor the consistency closely.
As you can see with this sample, maintaining temperature control during mixing is critical for safety compliance.
Yeah. What is the threshold for this batch?
Pressure gauge is stable, ready for startup.
Confirmed. Starting the line now.
By optimizing these parameters, we should see a 2% increase in mayonnaise yield.
Let's push the adjustment through now.
The mayonnaise factory is committed to the region. With 59% local sourcing and 75% local factory production.
The texture is smoother on this batch.
I increased the homogenization speed slightly. Let's see how it holds up.
Formulation B seems to be getting higher scores for texture.
Yes, but check the aftertaste metrics on screen 3.
Gel integrity on this tray is excellent.
Confirmed. Internal quality looks good for the mayonnaise ingredients.
And these batch records are fully compliant.
The triglycerides undergo extensive distillation to produce the neutral oil base.
And the current yield projection for this batch.
Is that the Mayo pallet for Route 4?
Yeah, bringing it to the dock now.
All right, let's add the magic ingredient.
Oh, I helped get it.
That looks delicious, sweetie.
We analyzed the feedback and developed this improved recipe.
It's perfect. The customers are gonna love it.
Based on the feedback, let's adjust the mixing speed here. Yeah.
The viscosity readings are stabilizing.
Excellent. The consistency is perfect now.
From laborious manual mixing to streamlined automation, Mayonnaise production has evolved dramatically, ensuring consistent quality and speed.
Implementing these revised safety protocols ensures our mayonnaise meets all apparel international requirements. As you can see, precise control over the oil addition rate is critical for achieving the perfect emulsion stability shown here in the diagram.
The precision of the robotic synchronization is remarkable.
And the data confirms a significant increase in throughput.
Allergen control is critical. Our separate areas prevent cross-contamination, ensuring mayonnaise safety.
This traceability exercise tracks ingredients backward through the mayonnaise supply chain, ensuring we verify the source of the eggs.
The mayonnaise issue is critical. We have 48 hours to execute the simulated recall protocol.
Have we identified the source yet?
Why did you mark this batch for review?
Temperature logs were incomplete. We need to reinspect sterilization protocols.
We start with the raw ingredients, eggs, oil, and vinegar. They move through the homogenization process you see in the machinery.
A nutritional analysis shows mayonnaise is high in fat and calories, but provides key vitamins and minerals.
This smoked paprika mayonnaise really balances the burger.
Let's try adding a touch more lime juice to the next batch.
Discover the world of mayonnaise. From the tangy French Dijonnaise to the sweet Japanese kewpie and the classic American spread.
The microencapsulation is stable.
Excellent. We finally have a healthier alternative.
The data confirms viability.
We're committed to making mayonnaise production greener, focusing on renewable energy and sustainable sourcing.
Congratulations on the Mayonnaise Production Award.
Thank you. This is a great honor for the team.
Annual production statistics highlight our massive output, with this facility alone exceeding 500,000 tons per year. Sourcing local isn't just a slogan. Our partnership with Happy Hens Farm ensures the economic impact of every jar produced stays right here in the community.
Our mayonnaise production is built on two pillars: consumer trust and unwavering quality commitments. The cycle of creating mayonnaise continues, providing consistent quality product to consumers worldwide.